Hey guys, what's up? So basically I just want to got hair in my mouth. I just wanted to apologize that I haven't been doing videos for 2 whole weeks because my laptop was broken. 5 stars right now if you like all-time low. This week's theme is to make a, you know, whatchamacall those things that, like, you know, stop motion. Roll it! Oh yeah, and shout outs. These two very special people designed my pencil case. Anthea, who did this thing. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And in my world, Caitlin. Everybody eats rainbows and poops butterflies. That is lovely. Okay, so that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this week and more videos coming up. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue blow drying my hair. I don't think you enjoy watching me do that. But anyways. Ow! I burnt my ear. Ugh. This smells like burnt pork ribs.